Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on Google Maps. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about Google Maps and we click. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. We'll search about Google Maps. Google Maps like this, and then we'll update your app here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next